It's time to create. Let's say you're booting up your favorite video game system and you're getting ready to record some gameplay footage or even go live on stream. With your favorite capture card and a USB-C hub combined with the latest iPad updates, you now have one of the most portable yet powerful editing and streaming rigs in the palm of your hands. What's up guys? What's good? I'm Joe. This is Matsu Excel, and it's time you realize that the iPad can become your favorite tool in content creation. Nearly 14 years since the release of the iPad, and it's become a staple in almost every home or school. Initially, what was supposed to be a hybrid between a smartphone and a laptop, the iPad quickly set a trend to be the unique device that could do so much more. With the latest updates of iOS 17, as well as the brand new M chips being installed, Apple's quickly unlocked what could potentially be the biggest change for a content creator and a streamer, but they just haven't figured it out yet. Real quick, Editor Joe here. I forgot to mention, you do require a USB-C port on your iPad, so like an iPad Air or an iPad Pro will work just fine. And also you do need an M chip, so an M1 or M2 series. So those are only two limitations. Back to it. If you're a streamer and if you've visited my channel before, you've probably heard of Elgato. Yes, our favorite streaming gear company has come in clutch and released a brand new app for iPads called the Elgato Capture. When you plug in an Elgato device like the HD60X or S, or even the Camlink 4K, you can utilize the iPad as the perfect portable monitor and recording system. With ultra low latency and the ability to save your recordings to an external drive, the Elgato app turns your iPad into a perfect external recording device, almost matching the Atomos Ninja. So what about my streamers? The Re-Incubate Camo Studio app is your best bet. Not only does it offer similar features like the Elgato Capture, but it also adds the functionality of OBS. Yes, that's right. You could create your different scenes or even use your favorite Streamlabs or Stream Elements overlays, and now you have a full-fledged streaming PC in an iPad. With built-in Twitch integration, and you have the ability to add custom feeds, you can stream to your favorite platform while keeping your gaming PC dedicated to just that, gaming. So I just want to stop and say thank you guys for everyone who's been following my channel. Honestly, I wouldn't create these videos if it wasn't for you guys out there. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm, helps YouTube push my content to other viewers like you. Thanks again. Let's get back into it. I want to mention that there is one note for my streaming friends. Apple does limit how many audio devices can be connected to the iPad. So what I recommend is running your audio device through your gaming PC and then routing all that audio to the iPad. If you want a detailed video about how to route your audio through your gaming PC into a device like this, let me know. I'll gladly hook you up. Okay, so we covered streaming and we covered recording. Now let's talk editing. With the most recent launches of Final Cut Pro and DaVinci Resolve, the iPad has now been given full power to not just half-baked demos or versions of these apps. Like, you literally get 80 to 100% of the full-fledged desktop app. That's amazing. And that's 2 of the top 3 editing systems, all accessible on your iPad. You could cut your streams. You could prep and edit your YouTube vids. Honestly, the limits are endless. We're entering 2024, and it's never been easier for a content creator to have the highest end tools at a lower cost of entry. The iPad is honestly one of the many things that helps creators do just that, create. So let me know in the comments below if you're excited for these updates or if you've even tested it yourself. I would love to know what you think. As always, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Helps the algorithm find people who are looking for content like this. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, I'm Joe. This has been Matsu Excel. And as always, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.